Hello, today here at RS Store Review you are going to find out about a super cool product to lose weight and have energy for those activities that were previously difficult to carry out. Playing with children, taking a walk with your pet or going to the gym will be easier after knowing Green Juice Organifi. You will see the benefits, the base of ingredients and where to buy Green Juice Organifi. And don't worry, because in this regard, I'll leave the link to the official website just below in the description of this video review. Let's kill your curiosity soon. Green Juice Organifi will change your health for you to change your life. No more overweight and lack of energy to enjoy the family and even your vacation. Green Juice Organifi was researched and developed to help you with these tasks and without disturbing your day. No messing around in the kitchen to make that miraculous recipe you found on the internet with a friend and spend a fortune on vegetables and fruits and not have any result. Green Juice Organifi is made up of 11 of the healthiest superfoods in the world, and can be consumed in just 7 seconds. Some of these ingredients are spirulina, the protein-packed craving blocker that forces your body to lose weight and slim down, ashwagandha, the stress-reducing herb that smooths wrinkles and blemishes, and matcha tea, the antioxidant-loaded green tea that fights cancer and provides as much energy as coffee without the negative side effects. And it doesn't stop there, there's also wheatgrass from Babylon, turmeric, eureka lemon, rhizomatic mint, green beetroot, chlorella and much more. It's not because it's a green juice that it has to taste like grass, is it? Green Juice Organifi has been sweetened with monk fruit and within 20 minutes of drinking it, your body is flooded with healthy vitamins, minerals and antioxidants. Green Juice Organifi is USDA organic, non-GMO, gluten-free, soy-free and fully vegan. So, rest assured when consuming this product. Entering the official website you will be able to check the results with who is consuming the Juice Verde Organifi. However, you need to keep in mind that each body will react in a unique way. This is a bit obvious, but I am telling you this so that you are realistic about the result that Green Juice Organifi will bring you. So, are you in the mood for your monthly dose of Green Juice Organifi? But don't worry, just know that if you're not happy with your Organifi Green Juice experience for any reason, just send us an email and you'll be refunded your monthly supply, no questions asked. Yes, every dollar will be refunded as a full 100% refund, even if the bottle is completely empty. With Green Juice Organifi the guarantee policy is serious. 60-day back guarantee. Do not forget that this is only valid and purchasing on the official website. Stop suffering. Just mix a spoonful of Green Juice Organifi in a glass every morning. It's a 7-second investment of your time for a series of excellent benefits that you will have in a natural way and with a super pleasant taste. Also important for you to know, Green Juice Organifi has no side effects. Green Juice Organifi powder is easier to mix than other products out there. It has gone through a drying and refining process so that it dissolves faster in glass. Therefore, with all these advantages, the time has come for you to acquire your Green Juice Organifi now. We at RS Store Review hope that all your doubts have been answered, and if you want to receive more content like this, subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching this video, see you later.